This is a hostel room. This is the main door from where you enter. When you enter, then on the left hand side there are like two wash basins with a hand wash, hot water, cold water. There's a dustbin below it, and then you have lockers over here with hangers also. You also have some extra space to keep your huge luggage. Then you have lockers because there are 6 beds over here, so therefore 6 lockers. And this is how the locker looks like, but I have to check whether it gets locked or not. If not, then how does it get locked? Okay, it's written to lock, to open. Good. So I will put my bag in this. Then this is the room, and there are like how many beds? 1 2 3 4 5 6 beds are here. This is the door of the room. You can close this, and then like you have, okay, so everybody has a panel for light, and I guess for charging also. Okay, so for light and for charging your devices. Yeah, and then you can charge your devices here. This is for each bed. You have a pillow, right? You have the comforter, and you also have some sheets to put on. Under the bed also there is place to put your shoes. Here you have a light. 2 more beds over here. This is the window, and this is how it looks like if you see it from the window. This is the heater table with 2 stools, and yeah, you have 2 more beds. This is it, and breakfast is actually included in this. It is like you have to come down for the breakfast between 6 and 9:30. It will be served downstairs. Let me have a look at this. So they have instructions about how do you lock, how do you open it. This is outside the room. They have some pictures over here of how other rooms look like, and it's very huge. They have many rooms, some with 6 beds, some with 4 beds. So we will go to the shower area to check. They said like they have a separate shower area. So this is the shower. This is also shower, and this one is for the ladies. This one is for the gents. Let's look at the ladies shower. Okay, it's a toilet, pretty big enough. Good. There are 2 tube lights. You have paper towels, mirror, hot and cold water, soap dispenser, dustbin, heater, and this is how the toilet looks. Paper rolls. So there are 3 toilets over here, 2 wash basins. Quite spacious. Now we will look at the shower area. So there are 3 shower areas. We'll look at this one. So when you enter, you have the hooks Again, this door can be locked, and you have some counter over here to keep your things, curtain so the water does not spill, and you have hot water and cold water shower. This is for the hot, that is for the cold. You have to turn on the knob accordingly and you'll get it. So there is one more light overhead. I'll have to check where is the switch of this light. Yeah, did not find the switch, but this is it. So now quickly I will put my luggage and head out.